Hello, everybody, and welcome to Street Smart Investing. I'm Albert, and I'm going to continue from the last video that I did. So I'm going to do 6 companies or 6 symbols for the sector of the banking services / banking sector. So the last one that I left off was HIFS. So I was saying with this company that they're just pretty expensive. That's all I had to say for this company. They were pretty expensive. As you can see, their annual. They're earning pretty good. They're very sustainable, but again, they're just very high priced. And again, they have very high debt. So, yeah, that's all I can say. Let's check out. They do pay out a special dividend, like I said, no splits. And I was going to mention one last thing. Did they do, let me see, analysis, here we go. Okay, so the short interest is pretty low. So again, it's just too high. It's just too high of a price. So moving on to the next one. So these are original 5 that I had. Let's move on. PBBK. So let's look at this one. Negative earnings, 52-week high, 1358. So they're close to their 52-week high. This seems like a new company because I don't really have much data for it. I have no news, so this is definitely a company to jump into as of like right now. So let's look at the annual profit. They're not profitable. That is at 92. They're not paying any dividends. So this company is fairly new. I want to see something. I'm sure banks are pretty profitable, so I give it maybe a few more months just to see. There's not any insiders. I give it a few more months just to see if any institutions jump in on this. And then on top of that, to see if they are profitable, just to see if they have any net income. Because from what I see, what are the net margins? Nothing. Yeah, they don't have any margins in net income, yeah. So that needs to be positive. I would say hold on to this one, but add it to the watch list. Next up is HBANN. Pretty cheap stock, very profitable. Yield is 5.64, pretty good. 52-week high is 27, 52-week low is at 25. So a lot of buying as of late. Analysis. Not a lot of interest in it to short it, which is good. It's been going up, but it's not by much. It's good. So it looks like they're not as profitable as they should be. course, debt is really high. Let's look at dividends. Look at, do they have any splits? No, that's good. 36 cents. Wow. They've been pretty consistent paying 36 cents every quarter. Excuse me. Banks. Some institutions are holding on to this, which is pretty good. You want to make sure if there's any insider buying. Hold up. Oh wow, that is really, really high. Just want to see one last thing. Shareholders. Wow, okay. Shareholders, insiders. So again, this company's pretty good. Steady income. You're not gonna get any increases, but again, they're pretty consistent. Pretty fair. They're undervalued. Oh, I actually use this company actually for my 401k. They're pretty good. Pretty good. They manage a few banks in the Midwest. Interest throughout the years remain the same. This is definitely a profitable company. Income in 2020 has gone up. Wow. Net income and revenue has gone up. Yeah, this is definitely a company you want to own. What are there? Yeah, I want to see something splits. Oh, I had a split in 2014. Every 4 years. Sorry, every 10 years. Sorry. But they've paid out dividends ever since 2019. It's been going up. So that's not bad, actually. So I have 2 left. TBKCP. Earnings are pretty good. Wow. Yield, pretty good. 45 cents. I just want to see something. Does it? Oh. Well, that's for the past 5 days. They've been selling, but any short interest? Pretty low, which is good. What? Okay, that's good. Net and revenue. So, just want to see there. The main points for me, the negative points that I have to see is the short interest, the splits, and insiders. Any insiders that own this company is a really big factor. So we have cash flow. Okay, it's pretty good. Cash flow's pretty good. That debt kills it for me, but just banks are just typically high in debt. It's crazy. The income has gone up too. That's really good. ROE. ROE. Consistent dividends 49, 44, 44, 44. Any splits? No splits. So it looks like they've recently been paying dividends. Let's just see something real quick again. Yes, it's pretty good. Pretty cheap company. Pretty cheap company. Very undervalued. And I just want to see. Hold on. Where is? Insiders. Okay, got that. Analysis. Oh, it's not showing me. Nonetheless, 2 out of 3 factors checked out, and they're still pretty good. Last but not least, I have ALRS.com. I thought they moved furniture and stuff. I could be wrong. Consumer lending, Aaron's company. Oh, purchase solutions for products, furniture, appliances, electronics, accessories, computers, other related stuff. So look at the chart. It's gone up then gone down. So we have 52-week high, 37, 16, 20, 52-week low. Earnings are okay. Dividend is 1.42. That's pretty low. Analysis. Hold. I have nothing for short selling factors. And let's just look at the company. Financials. Let's look at the annual for 2020. They've gone down. And then here I have negative earnings, so I don't know what to believe. Let's look at the dividends and the split. No splits. Okay. Make sure. So 10 cents they've been paying dividends. I would pass on it just because the dividend percentage is low and they've been negative on their income for last year. So yeah,